Well, hello there. Welcome to another break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fettme, and here's just a random break posting today. So I was taking and running to my local grocery store. It's actually a Buy Mart that's just up the road from where I live, and I don't generally go in there that often, but I've been trying to see if I can find anybody that's actually has any of the new Marvel Chrome for the value boxes, and unfortunately they did not have any. I don't even know if they had gotten any in. And of course the clerk working at the store, or the associate, whatever you want to say, was not probably the best person to be asking about what they got in, because they didn't even know what they have. But I saw the Series 2 value boxes, so I grabbed one just to see if I could hit any of the... I haven't seen what the retail parallels like they did for spring for Series 1, but let's see what we come up with. So I got a Ben Brown, Future Stars, former Red Sox Nick Pivetta, Jesse Winker. That was a former Red, and a Mariner, and a Brewer, and a National. Kyle Tucker, now on the Cubs. Rojas, Jason Foley, Fernando Tatis. Ooh, we got a gold mirror. Edward Cabrera. Does it say gold mirror? Because that's a gold mirror. It doesn't say anywhere on there gold mirror. The logo should be gold though. Yep, the logo is gold. Well, that's quite a way to start. Johnny DeLuca. Ketel Marte for the... what do you call it? The stars of the MLB. And then we have a Dustin Harris. I don't know what they call that. A sand glitter or something or other. Pack 2. Oh, there's one of them. Rangers Sunshine. I don't know if that's definitely not a rare one because it's not numbered. Austin Hayes. Nick York rookie. That's our first rookie. Brian Ramos. Clark Schmidt. Mason Montgomery rookie. Matt Strahm. Alex Cobb. Yohan Rojas. Another rookie, this time for the A's. JT Ginn. Oh, we got our 1990 Kamar Rocker. Rhett Lauder. Stars of the MLB rookie. And Michael Kopech. Former White Sox. I'm not sure. Oh, shows them Dodgers, but I guess it is Dodgers there. For some reason, I thought it was saying a completely different team. I thought it was saying Nationals. So there's one of our Series 2 retail exclusive inserts. Or parallels, excuse me. Bailey Falter. Zach Penrod. Rookie for Boston. Graham Ashcraft. Randall Grichuk. Salvador Perez. Jordan Walker. Shane Bieber. Lucas Erg. Brewer, right? Oh, shows him Yeah, he was originally from the Brewers. Traded to Oakland. Valentin Bellozo. This is probably another sand glitter. Nope, just a rainbow foil board. Oh, and there's a guy, Jacob Wilson. Leading the charge as far as Rookie of the Year candidates. Not that it's a strong rookie class. Oh, there's our next Sunshine. Can't even read his first name. Looks like Mitchell Parker. Yeah, Mitchell Parker. Profile. Angel Shavili, rookie. Dean Kramer, Mookie Betts, Yandy Diaz. Ha-Seong Kim for the Dodgers, rookie. Dominic Fletcher, Carlos Rodon. Tobias Myers, future star. What do we got here? We'll go like that. I got a Brandon Eisert, rookie for the Blue Jays. Rocky Sasaki, rookie stars of the MLB, and Julio and Ken Griffey. Whatever this is. Dynamic duos or something? Or diamond duos? I'm not sure. Not entirely sure. Next pack. Edouard Julien, Jordan Lawler, future star. Padres team card. Sam Hillard for the Rockies. Jose Tena. Mets team card. Blaze Alexander for the Diamondbacks. Chas McCormick for the Astros. Luke Rayleigh. Michael Hellman, rookie for the Cardinals. I got a Jose Altuve. Stars of the MLB, and then a Kirby Yates. Down to the final two. And that's probably our last Jake Bauers for the Brewers. Yeah, former Ray. Spencer Arrighetti. George Kirby. Duke Ellis, rookie for the Yankees. He looks like a youngin'. Born 1998, so not too young. Trevor Story for Boston. Spencer Strider. Brandon Woodruff. Nolan Gorman. Adam Kloffstein, rookie. Austin Wells. There's an American League. Vlad Guerrero, Adley Rutschman, and a Luis Angel Acuna, rookie. I'll sleeve up this guy and get to our final pack. Can anything else come out of this box? Hunter Renfroe, Wilson Contreras, Trevor McDonald, rookie for the Giants. Jackson Chourio, Byron Buxton, Kierstead, Tigers team card, Semien, Sean Burke, rookie for the White Sox. MJ Melendez, Juan Soto on the Mets. Card number 700. And our final Stars of the MLB is a rookie of Luis Angel Acuna. Ronald Acuna's younger brother. I say younger. I assume it's his younger. So, we'll just do a quick recap here. Pretty easy. We got the All-Star, 1990 All-Star insert of Vlad Guerrero Jr. And we have our 1990 anniversary card of Kumar Rocker, rookie for the Rangers. And I got this one dynamic duo or diamond duo or whatever it is of Ken Griffey Jr. and Julio Rodriguez, J-Rod. And we got a Ryan Feltner rainbow foil board for the Rockies. Dustin Harris. Again, I'm going to just call it a sand glitter parallel for the Rangers. And we got the stars of the MLB, Luis Angel Acuna, number 47, rookie for the Mets. And our 3 blaster or value box exclusive parallels. We got the Jake Bauers for the Brewers, the Mitchell Parker for the Nationals, and the Rangers team card. And then the hit of the box is going to be the Edward Cabrera Mirror Gold, which I don't understand why they don't have Mirror Gold written on the back like they did. Was it just a year ago when they started it? I'm trying to remember now if it was just a year ago or 2 years ago. Because I actually hit one in the very first box I opened. Anyway, that concludes this break. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hope you all have a great rest of your day. And as always, keep collecting.